Hey my lovelies, you are all welcome back to my channel. This is Shiny and today I'm gonna drape a party wear net saree in an elegant way with proper pleats and hope you would like my today's draping style. Now without any further ado, let's start today's draping. So this is the net saree that I'm gonna drape today, but before that let me tell you, if you are new to my channel then please do subscribe to my channel, and it's my request to all of my new and my older friends to keep your notification on by clicking the bell icon beside the subscribe button so you don't miss out any latest updates. Okay, now if you are draping a net saree, make sure to wear a same color of petticoat beneath, and this fabric is transparent, and tie a knot at the upper corner from where you will be tucking your fabric. It's because it gives a good grip when you tuck in, cause my saree has a heavy work near the below border, and if you tie a knot it helps you to keep the fabric in place. Now start tucking at the very right hand side of your petticoat waistline. Now while you are tucking, don't just be careless, rather fold the part that you are gonna tuck in. Keep it straight and then tuck it in an arranged manner, unless it will look really fluffy around the waistline. And see, I put on my heels already cause it helps you to measure the perfect length of your saree while wearing. That I kept a little ground touching while I am completing the basic round. Now you can see we are almost done with one round of basic tucking, so tuck this corner keeping a little tighter near the right side, and see if you have any kind of stone or thread work near the bottom border, make sure you need to tuck the saree in a way that it will be shown the work properly from the back side. Now on the next step, let's go towards the another end. So it is the upper border of your saree that will sit on your bust, and this is the another border, and it is a net come border saree, so we need to start arranging the pleats from this border. And observe my fingers how I am wrapping the fabric in this zigzag way, cause making shoulder pleats is nothing but arranging the pleats in even and parallel shape. Now it will be more clear if you see the inner border that it should be pleated in this way, like it will sit straight, making it direction frontwards. Now grab the shoulder pleats end carefully and secure it with a small safety pin, and if the end is secured like this, it becomes much easier to arrange the pleats lengthwise following the crease line of already made pleats. Now do arrange the pleats and secure up to certain points like I am showing, and I kept my shoulder pleats thinner cause thinner shoulder pleats suits best with the party look. Next, wrap the shoulder pleats around your body and keep it on your left shoulder and measure the pallu length, the shoulder pleats length a little lower than your knee, but don't secure it with the blouse fabric yet, okay? Now spread the pleats a little, but don't just spread much unless the saree border will reach up to your neck and it makes your bust area look wider. So we will spread it a little, and keeping it tight, we will bring this border straight near our navel. And see, I have pulled it tight, and now take a small safety pin and pierce it through a small paper. Now use it to secure the border near your navel. If you do this with the safety pins while securing the fabric, your saree fabric would not be damaged. Now at this place, make another small pleat and tuck it into the waistline, and it's nothing but to keep your left hip section tight in shape. Next, let's make the center pleats, and for that, start arranging the pleats from your right hand side and make medium size of pleats as the saree has the border. So if your saree has border and it becomes a little tough in case of a net saree to arrange the pleats all alone with the thinner pleats, rather try with medium size of pleats for a perfect pleating. Now make the pleat corners even and parallel with one another and secure both of the pleat corners with the safety pins, and next hold the pleats one by one near your navel and now tuck it into your waistline. And if you are left with any extra fabric at the right side, then tuck that extra fabric at the very right side as well. Next, remove the temporary pin from the shoulder pleat and keeping the pleats beautifully arranged at the front side and secured with the blouse fabric. Do spread the pleats really well even near at your right hip section, cause perfect draping tends to be perfect from the every other side of your saree draping. Now secure the pleats little backwards like this, and here you go with the hip border, and that also will be securing with the center pleats near your navel. And do secure the pleats along with the petticoat from the inner side so it won't be visible, and we are almost done. Now just remove the extra pin from the shoulder pleats, and we will use the same pin for securing the shoulder pleats more efficiently with the blouse fabric by following this technique. And if you have none to help, you need to be very careful and very patient to hold the pallu and blouse border at a time, taking your arms backwards and for securing the pallu at the edge of your blouse fabric, and ta-da! And you are done. Yes, and remove all the pins from the shoulder pleats when you are done with the draping. So here it is, your tight fitted net sari draping completes here. Hope you find it useful, and if yes, don't forget to hit the bell button and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such updates. Till then, goodbye, see ya.